Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. Here's how to turn your phone into the ultimate spying device. In Control Center, hit Customize Controls, scroll down and select Hearing, then swipe down and turn on Live Listen, and now you can leave your phone in any room, and if you have your AirPods, you'll be able to hear what's going on there. Make sure to share this with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. This is how to extend your phone's battery life. In general, turn off background app refresh, and in motion, turn on reduce motion and turn off these two. Now, in system services, turn off these ads, significant locations, and these three. Your battery will last so much longer. Share this with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. This is how to password lock any app on your phone to hide anything. In settings, go to screen time, then choose the app you want to lock. Now change this limit to 1, and the next time someone snoops on your photos, they'll see this. Share this with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. This will save you if you ever drop your phone in water. Google water shortcut, go to this link, and hit get shortcut. Now when I say, hey Siri, water eject shortcut, it'll play a sound that'll shake any water out of my speakers. Share this with all of your friends. Here's an iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. All you're gonna do is say, hey Siri, intergalactic planetary, and something crazy is gonna happen. Go try it right now. Let me know what you think about this and make sure to share it with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. If you ever have Polaroids or documents you want to scan, just hold down on the Notes app and hit Scan Document. Now you can quickly scan anything with just your phone. Share this with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. I'm going to show you another way to hide any app on your phone. In Screen Time, click here and pick Don't Allow to hide every app, or choose 9+ to only hide social media apps. Here's before hiding my apps, and here's after. Share this with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. I'm going to show you how to send secret messages to anyone. First, open the Notes app and type in any subject. Then click here to add someone to the note. Once someone is added, you can secretly chat with them about anything. And to add more security, you can even lock the note. Share this with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. I'm going to show you how to hide any secret apps you have like so. First, make your wallpaper the same color as your folders, then go to this site, upload that wallpaper, and it'll make an icon that blends into your background, added to your home screen like so. Put all your apps in a folder with it, and now anyone looking for these apps will just see a blank screen. Share this with all of your friends and follow for part 2. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. This is the best way to hide anything on your phone. So this app looks like a calculator, but open it up and you get this message. Double tap, hit OK, and you'll get an actual calculator that works. But put in your secret password and it'll take you to a hidden vault where you can hide anything. Share this with all of your friends and make sure you're following for part 2. Here's another phone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. Did y'all know that if you open up Snapchat and hold down on the screen, you can scan your dog to see what breed it is? What? Share this with anyone that has animals and make sure to follow for part 2. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. I'm going to show you how to zoom in on a FaceTime call. Just double tap right here, hit effects, and then you should be able to zoom in with your fingers. Make sure to share this with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. This is how to use shortcuts to make invisible folders. Make your wallpaper the same color as your folders, and use the Shortcuts app to create a blank icon of the same color. Put all the apps you want to hide in a folder with the blank icon, remove the title, and boom, you have a secret folder. Make sure to share this with all of your friends. Here's an iPhone setting you're probably going to want to turn off. In System Services, go to Significant Locations, and this is kind of crazy, but your phone is keeping track of where you've been and when you've been there. You can clear your history and turn this off, and in System Services, I like to turn off these two and the location-based settings. In Advertising, turn on Limit Ad Tracking, and in Privacy, turn off Share iPhone Analytics. Make sure to share this with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. The next time you send pictures to the random person you met online, do this first. Before you send the picture, go to Options and turn off Location. If you don't, the person can save the photo and see your exact location. This is used by predators. Share this with all of your friends and stay safe. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. If you don't want to get a new iPhone, here's a trick to clear your phone's RAM if it's acting funny or lagging. In Accessibility Shortcut, click Assistive Touch and triple click the power button to activate. Then go to General and click Shutdown. From here, hold the home button on Assistive Touch until the lock screen comes up. Your phone should be working a lot smoother now. Share this with all of your friends. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. This secret photo album app is the best for hiding stuff. It's password locked, and get this, you can create a fake pin to show fake pictures if someone forces you to say the password. And if someone somehow gets in, it'll take a picture of them and alert you. If you turn your phone face down, it'll automatically switch to another app. Share this with all of your friends that always have people snooping on their phones. Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. In Settings, go to Accessibility and click on Touch, then scroll down, select Back Tap, and choose Screenshot. And now you can double tap the back of your phone to take a screenshot. It's way easier. Share this with all of your friends and follow for more. Here's another iOS 14 trick I guarantee you didn't know about. So all of y'all that are using shortcuts to change your app icons probably notice that it's really slow and it goes to shortcuts first like this. Here's a simple solution. Go to Accessibility, Motion, and select Reduce Motion. And now when you open an app, it's going to be so much faster. Share this with all of your friends and follow for part 2. Another iOS 14 trick I guarantee you didn't know about. So I know a lot of y'all are using double tap to take screenshots. It's cool, but it does it on accident a lot. Here's a simple fix. Change it to triple tap for a screenshot. Also, you can set up double tap so you can scroll on TikTok hands-free. And my favorite, you can set it up so no matter what you're doing, when you double tap, it'll tell you what song you're listening to instantly. Share this with all of your friends and follow for part 2.